get a reasonable balance of the different veg. I don't want to fry them, you know, I want them to just char. So that means putting them straight onto essentially a dry plate. And there's a really pleasing logic about the way this whole bit of kit heats up. You know that these edges are fiercely hot, and you know that as you come a little bit further back, it's going to be a little bit cooler. Yeah, look at that colour. Perfect. Nothing too fierce or black. The spice seeds popping, can you hear that? Crackling. And I'm starting to see a little bit of colour on the bashed hazelnuts. And that is a very generous plate of food, lovely grilled vegetables, caramelised corners and charred edges. And that is a wonderful way to celebrate summer veg and celebrate the power of the Vulcanus.